Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the zoom earth trend on CapCut or the smooth reverse tutorial that make it look like you are zooming out from space right into your personal video. So in here, I'm going to just head into templates on CapCut. So you can create it from scratch, but here I'm going to show you the easiest way. You can now just click on the search column at the top and use the keyword zoom earth trend. Then in here you'll see lots of templates using that zoom out trend. You can just choose which one to use, like this one for example, or this one. So there are a standard version or the free version. You can just choose which one that you want. Example, this one right here, or this one. So I'm going to just, let's say, use this one in here. Now you can just click on use template. Here I'm going to use the AI template on CapCut. Click on use AI template. Now choose the media. In here I'm going to just use a photo. So let's say I'm going to use this photos right here. You can tap on next. So CapCut will load the effects and apply the AI effects to the photo or clips that you choose. Okay, it will be completed in 3 seconds. So now this is the smooth reverse or the zoom earth trend using CapCut template. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.